So instead of the method of joints, we're going to use the method of sections.
Yep.
What does that mean?
Well, it means we just take a line, cut through a section of whatever we're analyzing, and only look at that section. So, right over here, you can see that? Right here. That's the same portion, it's just blown up.
Right, so we only analyze 3 members at a time because we only have 3.
Yep, we cut through only 3.
Right, because we only have 3 equilibrium equations. Okay, so we're looking for CD, GD, and GF.
Yep.
Okay, so some of the moments at D is 0. What does that mean if everything is 0?
Well, some of the moments, that's just every moment acting on point D, and we assume it's equal to 0 because point D is not moving whatsoever.
Nothing's moving.
Nothing's moving, so that means it's in equilibrium.
Okay.
And because it's in equilibrium, that means that some of the moments are 0.
Okay, so the first one is GF. Where's
Right
GF?
up
Okay. Now, so the distance from the line of force to D is...
18 inches, the shortest distance.
Okay, now we have 2 arrows along GF. The first arrow is the one we want to use because by convention, all the forces are in tension, which means they pull away from the joint.
Yep.
So the arrow on the left is pulling away from joint F. The other arrow we'll explain in a minute.
Yep.
So if the direction of that force is that way, is that clockwise or counterclockwise?
That would be counterclockwise.
Which is positive.
Which is positive, yep.
That's how we get GF times 18 inches.
Right over here, we assume it's positive because it's counterclockwise.
Okay. Well, now what about GD and CD?
Well, it's a bit more convenient there because CD runs through point D, same with GD. That means the distance is 0, the shortest line between the line of force and the point. Because that's 0, that means the moment is also 0. So we don't have to worry about them.
Beautiful. So what's left?
All that stuff is the reaction at point E, which is counterclockwise, it's positive.
And the distance?
The distance is 18 inches.
So there's our formula. And we get GF equals negative 75 pounds.
Yep, and that's where the second arrow comes in. Because we got a negative value, it's no longer tension, it's now compression.
So that's why we put in the arrow going to the right.
Correct.
Good.